All right, everybody. It's Wes with Wes Almeida Restorations. I got another project for you today. I am building a closet in a bathroom. It is a very small area, but it turns out that it's a little harder than I thought it was going to be, but the customer was happy with it, so we're good. You stick around with us and I'll show you how it worked out. All right, I'm glad you're still with us, or you came back. I'll take it either way. So this must mean you want to see how this project's going to turn out. I'm excited for it myself. So here we go. Let's get started. So here's a little before picture of what the closet looks like, obviously before I start. One of the first things I have to do is I have to take my stud finder so I can see where I need to adjust the boards so that I can screw them into the wall for support. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take measurements so that we can cut the boards to the proper lengths that they need to be so we can make the structure of the closet. So I marked the stud in there. It's a little bit harder than I thought it was going to be. Alright, time to put some sheetrock in. One piece in, not completely in place yet, but that's where it's going. The rest of them are going to start coming in after that. So we'll go from there. Back wall part is in, and now we got to do the sides for the sheetrock. The inside of the closet is done. Now we gotta start putting the shelves in. Quick look real quick. To the bottom. Where that bottom piece of sheetrock is. Had to take some plaster out, so that was a little bit of annoyance. But got it all taken out and got it pieced in. This house is an older house, so it did have some unlevel flooring. That's why some of this stuff, you see some shims here and there. Had to make it level. And this is where my wife took over and started doing the tape and mud. And then the paint job. And then she's very good at organizing things. All right, this project's done. The customer was very happy with what she got and what we did, as my wife and I did the job together. I did most of the building part. She did the tape and mud, and she also did the painting. Then she also painted her bathroom for her as well. So she was quite busy. She was quite impressed with what we did for her. So that's all we try to do, is make sure that everybody's happy with what we're doing. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. It helps the algorithm. It helps me get as many likes as we can, more views. Hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you get all the videos when they come out. As always, I appreciate your support. Peace.